Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. YouTube channel covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff. Super exciting times. Finally, we have Outlander GTPs, PHEVs rolling in, and this was the first one that we got fully loaded. This is as good as it gets. It's the GT with a two-tone roof, white in color, and we do have two-tone interior as well. So this is the one with massage seats. So I tested it out already. It works really good. So if you're thinking about upgrading maybe to like massage seats or not, just go for it. Very worth the money. So in this video we'll do a detailed walk around of this, the best from the best, fully loaded GTP with two-tone roof. We'll check out the exterior, we'll check out how the charger looks like, we'll check out the interior and everything else. So thank you so much for tuning in, and now let's have a look at it. Okay, and now let's check it out. This beautiful 2023 PHEV Outlander. This truly is the best of the best, fully loaded GTP Premium, white diamond, two-tone roof, two-tone interior. There's not much else you can add to this vehicle from the factory. Literally comes as loaded as it gets, has massage seats and everything else. So we'll do exterior walk around, and then we'll also do the interior walk around right now. So side view, I love it. It looks so sharp. We have these 20-inch wheels that look absolutely awesome, and this two-tone roof option just looks very good. And I think it has the right amount of balance between black, white, and chrome, because we have obviously here these two-tone wheels matching really nicely with blacked out windows, tinted windows, and black roof line. And then we have the chrome elements. So the roof rails stand a little bit out, so obviously they're not chrome, but they stand out. And then we have chrome line around here. Then we have this EV plug-in hybrid EV badge that comes from a factory like this. So basically this one is installed like that. And then we have this PHEV side molding, which soon enough I'll upload to my mrmitsubishi.ca website, so you can buy one for yourself. And this one is color matched, and we do have this chrome line right here, right? And then we have this PHEV lettering right here, right? So on this one here we have protective film still on, so we remove it, and then the EV or this letter stands out even more. Nice looking Outlander. So as we can see, we have, like, you know, the fronts here part is the all body color painted. So we have an SCL right there, black. So black one kind of blends in, but you can see that part is plastic right here, right? So yeah, we can see now. So on this one here we have body color painted, and if we look at the front again, roof stands out as black roof. Those 8 pillars would be black either way. And then here we have again a good amount of contrast going on, but it looks so great. We have the black grille, kind of matches together with the black roof, and then we have the chrome elements. We have this Outlander hood emblem. Let's check it out. So this here is specially made for Outlander PHEVs. Again, you have this blue lettering matched with a chrome outline, which again looks sharp. You know, blue would be for electricity kind of symbol, and then the chrome outline goes really well together with everything else chrome what we have in front of the vehicle. Looks super sharp. Let's check out the back now. The back looks absolutely great as well, and of course that roof stands out a lot. So we have black roof here and there. So this is how it looks, and again we have this PHEV badge right here. That's how you know it's PHEV. I actually like that the wheels are the same. If we look at kind of, you know, some other cars manufactured gas version versus electric or plug-in hybrid, they put these wheels that sometimes are not very appealing to look at, but in this case I actually quite like it. So the key looks like this, so same as regular Outlander key. I kind of wish Mitsubishi would have made the key for PHEV a little bit different, but they didn't, so we'll live with that. And the GT also has kick motion activation, right? So, and then on this one here, what makes it unique obviously has the two-tone option. So For the plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, for the PHEVs, only GTs or GTP would come with two-tone option and in white. So you can't have red or brown or any other color or gray with you know, being GT or GTP and have the black roof. So that's reserved exclusively for white. Just keep that in mind when you shop around, so to speak. Obviously this one is you know, loaded with safety features. This one has My Pilot Assist, including lane keep assist, active cruise control. You have the head-up display. It recognizes street signs and everything else, so it's very, very nice equipped. And it does have, of course, super all-wheel control, so it's all-wheel drive vehicle. It says right here, super all-wheel control. And then it also has the kick motion, right? So that's, again, it's only for GTs. It used to be available on all Outlanders that have power tailgate. Now on 2023, this feature is reserved only for the GT trim levels. So what do we have here? So it is a 7-seater, and again, this seat, I made a video about it as well. So this third row seat is made a little bit different than on the gas version. So we can see how this is basically one piece. On gas version it's divided in two, but on PHEV we can fold it up like this, right? And then either we can use this as a storage compartment. It's excellent for like grocery bags and whatnot, so it doesn't slide all over the place. And we of course can flip it up like this, and now we have actual third row seat. And then the headrests on the gas version, you have to take them out manually. It's not that easy to do. And then this one is super easy. It folds right down. I'm glad that Mitsubishi actually took their time and came out with this type of solution for a third row. Underneath here we have tire sealant if you get a flat tire, so you do not get a spare tire with the Outlander PHEV. Just keep that in mind. If you're going off-road somewhere, like this might be a little bit of a challenge for you. I really like how they came up with this solution right here for the seats for the third row. So right now let's check out the interior. One thing I forgot to mention is the charger itself. So basically it comes right now in a bag like this from the factory, and this is how it's made to look now. So compared to the old PHEV charger, this one here is made lighter. I don't think it's quite as heavy as the other one, and it's made a little bit like slimmer and better design, so to speak. And it plugs in right here, and then the plug we have on this side, on the passenger side right here. So this is where it plugs in, and this one here is for the DC quick charger. So we have, you know, a few ways how we charge this car. We'll be covering this all in one of the future videos as well. So just wanted, before we check out the interior, just wanted to show you the charger itself, how it comes from the factory. All this vehicle, by the way, still made in Japan, Outlander PHEV. That's pretty awesome. So right now let's check out that interior. And now let's check out that interior. So this here is the premium upgraded interior. That's why we have these orange inserts right here. It's basically same as gas version, so there's not much difference in terms of you know, the interior appearance itself. There are some option difference. So massage seats right here. So we do have the massage seats, which is pretty cool. So they actually, like, you know, this part right here pulsates like that, and then, like, you know, massages your back. And then the massage seats are for both driver and passenger. Very cool. So not only the driver gets spoiled, but also the passenger as well. And then we do have memory seats, 2 memory positions for the driver and 2 memory positions for the passenger as well. So this is pretty cool. So again, not only the driver can get memory seatings for the seats, but also the passenger. That's very cool, because many times, you know, passengers change more often than the drivers, so that's important that we spoil them a little bit too. Okay, so when it comes to floor mats, I want to show you something. So basically these all-weather mats we put on here, that's something we just added after the fact. But with these regular floor mats, That's how they come from the factory. So you do have nice Outlander lettering right here, and they have this blue outline around it. So pretty cool. It looks good. And again, like, you know, this blue outline, if you keep the original mats, if you don't upgrade to these like rubber all-weather mats, again, that blue outline matches really well together with your PHEV accessories. And then with that hood emblem, remember it had this blue in here, right? So blue here, blue on the side molding right there, and then blue around the floor mats if you have the original floor mats. So let's have a look what else interesting we have here. So essentially this one has the big panoramic sunroof as well. Everybody loves that feature. So we start the vehicle same way with push to start button, so nothing changes in that regard. And this dial is a little bit different, so the screen is a little bit different in this information. So you have your battery, charge settings, and what's the total, oops, I think I turned it off. So what's the total range you'll be getting and everything else. So this one here just happened to be empty on electricity, empty on fuel. That's why there's not much range it'll show you. And one thing that is a little bit different is also there's extra setting on this dial right here. So not only you get this eco, normal, and tarmac and everything else, but you also have this power mode right here, right? So when you have power there, like it shows you power right here, and you just get more response from the car. We'll test that out in one of the future videos, right? And then these two buttons are new for PHEV as well. So this one here is this one pedal drive, right? So how it works basically, when you drive it, the second you like take your foot off of the gas pedal, then the vehicle kind of like, you know, stops. It engages in this regenerative braking a lot more. And then this EV button right here basically just changes from normal to EV drive, to save, to charge. Again, we'll be testing all of this out in future videos, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. The screen, so same thing we're having here. So it's a touch screen with integrated navigation, and then when your head-up display is on, so that will be this button right here. That's how you can turn it on, and we can see that speed just showed up. And then there's also stuff like you know, the turning signal, like the turning lights or direction is going to be, the street names are going to be displayed, and it picks up street signs as well to show you the speed and everything else. So pretty cool, like once you have it, and it's like full color display and everything else. So it's a very nice thing to have. Steering wheel is the same, so we have the My Pilot right here. All the settings can be adjusted and everything else. So this car is loaded with all the safety features. So of course we have Bose sound system, we have heated steering wheel right here, heated seats. Such a nice looking vehicle. And we can check the back real quick again. So for the back part, we do have this two-tone thing going on the back as well. And one thing to remember, these seats, they kind of like slide and adjust separately. So whenever you need to adjust for more room, maybe for driver and whatnot, so this all can be done like this. So you do have nice pockets on the back here, and you have this rear sunshade as well. So this one is for extra privacy. It's harder to see through with that, and especially good for summertime when you have direct sunlight coming in. You fold this up like this, and that one protects a little bit of you know, from the sun coming through. I always like this view from the second passenger second rows, because then you can see everything, the panoramic roof, the interior, and everything else. So very cool indeed. So there we go. We just checked out this beautiful 2023 Outlander PHEV GT white with two-tone roof. It's the premium with massage seats and everything else. Super cool vehicle. I hope you like it as much as I do. I'm very excited about this one. If you are interested to come and checking out some PHEVs, we always gonna have one test drive unit for you to check out here at Tri-City Mitsubishi in Port Coquitlam, BC. That's where we're located. That's where I'm as well. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next videos.